Hi there, my name is Kirsty.
My name is Eslin.
We are both part of the Restoration Provision Ministries International Youth Group, and we would both like to formally invite you to the youth workshop taking place on March the 30th, 2019.
Our main theme is going to be about apologetics, and it's going to start from 11 a.m. to 3:30 p.m.
Lunch and break will be included, and the time is convenient as it's on a Saturday, so please put down the video games and come and join us. This will enrich your life and help you as you grow up to be a life-changing youth in this day and time.
There's going to be question and answer sessions taking place at the end. So when you're coming, bring your questions, bring everything that you need to ask, because we're going to have a special person leading it. Her name is called Auntie Claire.
Feel free and join us.
Due to everything that we've done, we had youth retreats that's been successful. We had youth careers choice week, month, which was very successful, which everybody enjoyed, and we would like all of you guys to come and take part and have questions that are going to be answered at the end of the day.
To give you a bit of background on apologetics, it's about how us as Christians can face challenges in our day-to-day lives, questions that we may find very hard to answer, like, if God is so loving, how come all these bad things are happening in the world? Come and find out how to defend your faith in this day and time, and to enrich your own understanding of our good Lord.
This is going to be one of the special ones, so be there. We hope to see everyone. Be welcome.
Oh, and also she is from Oxford University. Come and let her be an inspiration to your life also. Don't forget, one more time, see you soon. We hope to see you there.